gold or Bitcoin?
It doesn't have to be either or. You can invest into gold and Bitcoin. But again, you need to understand that they are on completely different ends of the risk spectrum. Gold is extremely low risk. Yes, there's still risk associated with it, especially depending on liquidity and when you want to liquidate your gold. For example, I know people who bought gold around 8 to 10 years ago and they recently sold. Gold hit an all-time high. They made a really good return. They made around 12, 13% on average per year over the last 10 years from holding their gold. But there's a realistic chance that you might have wanted to sell gold at a time where it was dipping and you might not have made a decent return. So over the long term, yes, gold can do very, very well, but you need to understand liquidity. You need to understand market cycles. You need to understand when to take profits. Now, Bitcoin, on the other hand, much higher potential for return, especially compared to gold or property, for example, but you can make ridiculous returns. I think on average, Bitcoin has done approximately 1,000% annually for the last 10 years. That's ridiculous. That's significantly higher than the 8 to 10% average market returns. But again, it's higher risk. Just as much chance, even though you can make that 1,000% per year, the risk of you losing money is also much, much higher because it's a brand new asset class. Again, you need to understand how it works. So understand how these assets work. Don't just throw your money into one or the other. Diversify, learn how to do diligence, learn how to understand what you're investing into and why.